Hey natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm your girl Shauna. Big up the day one people them, yes, who have been charting the journey with me. Guys, just want to take this time to say a very special thanks to each and everyone who have supported me. Thank you all so much. Alright, anyways, let's jump right into the video. Today I'm gonna be doing another simple hairstyle for you all. So, but before I jump into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't be afraid to vote in the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss that video. Let's do this. For this, I'm gonna be needing some Eco Styler gel for this particular hairstyle. A comb. I'm not sure which one of these I'll be using. I don't know if I'll be using the rubber band or I'll be using this to catch my hair. So I guess I'm gonna use this because the other one don't want me to use it. So I'm gonna be using this to lay my edges. I got these are some old Afro kinky bulk hair. Yes, I'm gonna make it look much better by adding some oil to it and stuff like that. Alright, yeah. Alright, so this section I'm not gonna repart it because it is okay. I can work with this the way how it's part, so I'm not gonna repart it. So for you natural lovers, this is how my hair is sectioned off. Alright, so this section I am going to be cornrowing it. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this part first. So I'm gonna get this back. I'm gonna get this out of the way. Natural lovers, I am going to go right ahead and use this hair wax around my hair. Just gonna add it to the section that I am going to be cornrowing. I'm just using the edge control brush just to brush it in. When all that I am doing is just cane rowing my own hair. There's no extension added. And I am going to plait out that hair all the way out to the end. So now I am gonna go right ahead and go in with my Eco Styler gel to do my hair, to catch my hair up in one. I love the smell of the olive oil Eco Styler gel, guys. So I'm just basically adding the Eco Styler gel around my hair, you know. I'm gonna use this blocky rubber band to catch my hair up, and I am catching the end of the cornrow into the back section. So the end of my hair there, I am just gonna go right ahead and put that Afro kinky bulk hair, which guys I mentioned earlier that hair is an old hair, so I just add a little oil to it, you know, so that it looks brand new. I'm gonna take out a small piece and I'm gonna wrap it around my hair because I don't want the rubber bands to show and I don't want my hair to show either. So basically we're just doing that so that everything blend in. Now at the end of the hair, I am just adding a rubber band, a elastic band at the end, and just tuck it into the hair. Now I'm going to be doing my edges, and I am going to be using the Eco Styler gel once more. Now I'm going to be adding this hair jewelry to the cornrow. now there you have it. Beautiful. I am still in love with this person right here. She have a buzz, right? She have a buzz. That's how the back section of my hair look. The hair have in a little white piece or something. I don't know what that is. But yeah. So natural lovers, there you have it. That's the outcome of the hairstyle. Beautiful. Okay. I love this. It's cute, simple, classy, really nice, right? Alright, so that's the end of the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Don't be afraid to blow up the comment section. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. I can't stop looking in the mirror on myself. Okay. Natural lovers, I am so in love with myself, right? I can't stop looking in the mirror, guys. I can't stop look. But until next time, big up on a good clean self. Thank you guys once more for the love, the support. Thank you all so much. Remember, we are on our journey to our second milestone, which is 200 subscribers. Okay, so let's continue, do the good things then. Okay, until next time, guys. Bye everyone.